How to make realistic AI avatars like this. If you also have a faceless YouTube channel, it is very important for you to know about this free website. You can make these AI avatars for free, even with your mobile phone. In this video, you will learn everything from avatar generation and quality enhancement to animation to watermark solution. I'll cover everything, just don't skip the video. First, open a browser on your mobile or PC and go to leonardo.ai. The good thing about Leonardo AI is that it will give you 150 tokens that you can use to generate your image. Now let's head over to the image creation tab. Now, as you can see that on the left, there are various presets that you can use to generate an image with a specific style. I'll go with the cinematic Kino and I'll select the aspect ratio to 16:9. Here in the text box, I will type my prompt. You can find the same prompt in the description of this video. Now just click on generate and you'll see 4 generated images. I like this one, so I'll just hit the download button. Now this image will be downloaded to your system. Next step is to enhance the quality of this image. For that, we'll head over to Krea.ai, click on the enhancer tab and sign in with your Google account. Now just double click the big plus icon and add your AI generated image. Once the image is imported, just click on 8x and then the enhance button. After a few minutes, you'll have the enhanced version of your image. You can play with this slider to see the difference. Then you can just download the enhanced image by clicking on this download button. For animating your avatar, just go to dubdub AI and upload your enhanced image. Once the image is uploaded, you can generate an AI voiceover from dubdub, or you can upload your own voiceover or even record it. I'll upload my own voiceover. You can play it if you want. I'll just click on generate talking avatar and hit generate again. It will take a few minutes to generate the avatar. Once generated, you can preview the avatar generation. So you can generate AI avatars using this website for free, even with your phone. Now you can just hit download. Now the last step to making your avatar complete is to remove this annoying watermark, because that looks very unprofessional. Now the easiest way, in my opinion, to do this is to just go to CapCut. This is also the free version, so you can just use this, you upload your video in there, then you take your image and then you drop it in there too, and then what you do is you basically have your video below, then you have your image on top, and then you create a mask so you can see you're probably here on basic, then you click on mask and then you click on rectangle, and then you move this rectangle over on your watermark. And as you can see, it removes it. That's because basically all that is moving is this guy's face and the rest of it is not moving at all. So you've just created your mask. Now you make sure to cut this, and now you have yourself, your own video, if you hit export.
So you can generate AI avatars using this website for free, even with your phone.
If you have watched this far, consider subscribing to the channel. And if you want to know how to generate free AI voiceover just like mine, you can watch next video, and I'll see you there.